now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha, and if you're new, thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for all the love and support that you have been showing me. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. You are definitely gonna love the content. And in today's video, we are going to be doing the Beyonce Adidas ivypark Rodeo collection. And with the ivypark Rodeo collection, there's a lot more variety of colors, which, you know, I really enjoy, because at least with the ivypark flex pack, it was really bright neon orange, and I'm not sure if a lot of people was feeling that, but I think the Rodeo, the pieces are a lot more versatile. You can wear them to the gym, and you can also wear them if you are going out. And you know what, without further ado, let's just get into today's video. The first two items that I'm going to go and talk about is this crop suit jacket, and as you can see, it does have like a pad on the shoulder, and also it comes like with a lapel collar. I love the fit of it. I like the shape of it. You know, when it comes to crop items, you know, I love wearing them. I think with this, if you're not really comfortable wearing it as a crop, you can probably put a bodysuit under it. But it does have like two pockets in the front, and also it has like a popper as well. So if you want, you can just wear it like, you know, I think you can wear it like with a lace item under it. But yeah, it fits amazing. I think it looks fantastic on the sleeve. It does have like the Adidas three striped logo, and I think it looks a bit more like a little lilac color. And also you can see that it has like the Adidas logo as well. Like I said, I love the way that it fits, and I like the way that it feels. And the material is a little bit heavy, but I think it's going to be perfect like for fall and autumn. It's definitely going to keep you warm. I'm just going to go and talk about the trousers now. The next item is a tracksuit bottom. To me, these trousers look amazing. I think with this, you can wear with so many different pieces. Like I said, with this, I do love the way that it fit, the way that it feels. The quality is fantastic. The crop jacket and the trousers, the quality is really amazing, and it does have like the sewn in crease, so you don't have to worry about putting it in. I think that's really good. It also have like the drawstring and the toggle, so at least if you want to make it a bit tighter, you can. I think this is like a perfect little item that you can wear. You can wear this out, you can wear it as a casual wear, you can wear it if you know, it depends on where you're going, but I just think that it just looks really amazing. The length is really good. It does have like the three stripe logo on the side, and it does have like the invisible pockets, so at least, but the pockets are really deep, which I really like. The trousers are more like a straight cut, but they fit so well on. I mean, they hug you just where it's supposed to. But I mean, I think with this, you definitely feel like a really powerful businesswoman if you're going to be wearing something like this, because you can definitely rock this like with a nice black top and a blazer. Like I said, these two pieces are really versatile. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. Like I said, the size is a size medium in this, and the jacket, the crop jacket, is also a size medium. The price for the jacket is £110, and for the trousers were £90. Things a little bit expensive, but make sure you stick around the end to let you know what I think about the price. The color for this is more, on the website it says like it's a purple glow. To me, the color is like a light purple. I think it's not too bright and in your face. You can definitely go ahead and tone this down. You can wear it like with a white bodysuit and a blazer, or you can wear it with like with a black bodysuit and the blazer. Definitely would tone it down, and probably a great pair of heels. I forgot to mention that in the back it does have like the Adidas logo as well, but like I said, this is a really quality piece and it fits amazing on, and I definitely love the color. I think that the color, like I said, is not too bright and in your face. Next up is this cow print skirt, and at first I was like, I wasn't sure about the print or how it would look. I mean, I did see Beyonce in it and she looked fantastic in it, but I wasn't sure. But now that it came, I put it on. I love the way that it fits. It does come with 6 buttons, and it does says ivypark Adidas on top of it. For me, the buttons, I can only do up 4 of them. That's why I left the last 2, because it just couldn't go wrong on my thigh. But the rest of it fits. You can wear it like that, so I didn't have a problem with that. It does have like pockets on either side, and also you can see that it has like the three stripe Adidas three stripe logo. At the back of it, it does have like the Ivy Park logo and the Adidas logo as well. But for me, I love the print, and the color is more of a light purple and brown pattern. Yeah, I definitely like the color. You can dress this up, you can dress it down. I think with this you can wear like a white crop t-shirt and maybe a cardigan as it starts to get a bit cold, or you can wear like a white crop short like I had done when I did my reel. Make sure you go and check out my Instagram because I've been doing loads of amazing reel. And also you can wear it like with the suit jacket as well, and the brown boots. I think it would look amazing on. The price for this was £90. Yes, so it's, yeah, I think it's expensive, but you're paying for Beyonce and you're paying for Adidas, so it's quality. So, and the material, it's definitely worth the money. There isn't any stretch in this, so I think if you're gonna buy it, you might have to size up, because I got a size medium, and like I said, it did fit like my waist and it did fit around my bum and thigh, but it just mean, like I said, the last two buttons I wasn't able to button it up. But I've got more of a booty and I've got more of a shape, so just take that into consideration if you're going to get it. Now we are going to go and talk about the gym pieces, and ivypark Adidas gym collection, definitely worth the money. I've had the black and gold one and I've got the multicolor one, and those are what, like, I would wear them to the gym, and they still keep the color, the shape, the fit. They look amazing on. And I think for gym pieces, especially when you're going to gym, you know you want to look your best, because if you look your best, you feel amazing, and you go to gym and you're gonna give it your all, because you know what, you look good, you feel good. So the first piece is this Ambient blush. So that's the color, that's what it's called, but it looks more like a peach color. On the website it's called the crop long sleeve top, but to me it's just like a crop top. As you can see, it has padded in it, so I'm not sure if this piece is for the gym, but you can definitely wear this, you know, with other pieces. Not sure if I really want to wear this to the gym, because I love the way that it look. I would definitely wear this like with my high waist trousers I did get from Zara. I think this would look great on. As you can see, the neck is quite high, so it's a wrong neck, and also at the back of it there is a zip for you to get in, and it has like the Ivy Park logo. It looks more like an orange color. It fits well. I think this was size medium, and oh, the price for this was £45. Definitely love the way that it fits, the way that it feels, the material. It has stretch to it, so yeah, you can't go wrong with this. Next piece is the leggings. So with the leggings, as you can see, it does have like the V shape and it has like, the color looks a bit more like a peach color sewing, or maybe it's yellow, I'm not sure. The leggings, as you can see, it's very stretchy. This is a size medium. It has like elastic waist, which has like the Ivy Park logo all the way around it, and it does have like a really light orange with the three stripe Adidas logo, and also at the V shape it does have like the same color, and it has the mesh details at the bottom. With the leggings, they're very comfortable, they fit amazing, and it definitely shows off the curve. I think for me at the back, this one was a little bit low. There's not much I can talk about the leggings, because it's quite similar to the ones that I did get previously, like the black and gold and the multicolor ones. Definitely love wearing the Ivy Park gym wear, because like I said, you buy these and you can't go wrong, because you're gonna have them for a long time. I mean, I wear my gym wear like 3 days a week, so you definitely can't go wrong with it. The price for the leggings was £63, and the price for the crop top was £45. So it's a bit expensive, but you're gonna have them for a while, and the quality, the color stays the same, so you definitely can't go wrong. Let's see what the final two items will be for this haul. And the final two item is this gorgeous gym rig. I mean, the color, look at the color. The color is called Glory Blue. It's definitely a bright item, but I think against my complexion, it definitely looks great on. It fits me really well, and I think it looks fantastic, especially when I'm going to the gym. I think this will be a cute piece for me to wear at the gym. With the sports bra, it does give you some form of support, and it has a cutout, but I think with the cutout it's not too much skin. And also it has like the Ivy Park logo that goes all the way around. And with the straps are adjustable, so you can adjust them to suit you. Fasten it, it does have 3 different ways you can clip it. So I think this is really great. And like I said, I love the way that it fits on. The price for this was £55 and the price for the leggings was £77. The leggings does have like the mesh details here, and it also has like the mesh details at the bottom, and the material is stretchy. I did get this in a size medium, and it does have this bit that definitely holds your stomach in, and that's what I love, especially if you're trying to get your core engaged. This will just remind you to do that. So yeah, I like that about these pieces. I find that when I wear them to the gym, it normally just sits like where it's supposed to, and it hugs my stomach in. And yeah, I definitely love that. Also at the back of it, it does have like the ivypark and Adidas logo. And yeah, the color's a bit different at the bottom. It's more like a darker blue, but like yeah, it's a very comfortable piece. And like I said, they're quite similar to the ones that I did get previously. Definitely love their leggings, and you definitely can't go wrong if you're looking for new gym wear. Watching my video, I do appreciate you stopping by. I hope you did enjoy the Beyonce Adidas ivypark Rodeo collection. For me, I'm quite pleased with the material, the quality of it, the price that you're paying for it. This is definitely worth the money. I'm not gonna choose a favorite because like I said, I did enjoy all of them, and I like the way that they fit and the way that they look on. But make sure you go ahead and comment down below. Let me know which item was your favorite. You know, I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do so before you leave. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button, and also go ahead and hit the notification bell. You know what? And I will leave links down below. So if you want to go and check out the other Beyonce ivypark collection, you can go ahead and do so. You know what? I will catch you in my next video. Make sure you take care, be safe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.